Collaboration. By definition, it is said to be the action or working with someone to produce or create something. But in the world of architecture, we know that that something is far more complicated when you involve or work across disciplines. The life cycle of a PDF in the AEC industry is one that has proven itself to be the ubiquitous format that is not only trusted, but expected. It's a format that has become a framework to allow for extensible files inside of the PDF and has proven to have unparalleled flexibility for communication, collaboration, and dependability for long-term archiving of all design project-related data. It is without a doubt the most commonly used format around the world. At Tetra 4D, our goal is to help educate and empower companies to optimize the use of a PDF in a number of critical process workflows. You may be aware of the use of a 2D PDF, but not so much of the benefits of a 3D PDF. Oh, wait a second. A 3D PDF? Absolutely. Sharing the PDF of your design model is an effective way to collaborate with your extended team members. Architects can bring their ideas to life and share them with their clients and contractors. A PDF can be embedded with information such as images and videos that are relevant to a project's particular issue. Let's take a closer look at this. A lot of people may think that building a building, a dwelling, a structure of some type that can contain something or a multitude of people for business purposes is the end goal for all the stakeholders involved in the project. But we all know that this is the furthest thing from the truth. The reality is that every project provides a different challenge, and solutions to these challenges begin to form in our heads. Maybe not entirely solved, but it's what most thrive on. Sure, there may be a euphoric feeling of completing the final product, but the reason we're in this field is because of the adventure that begins from the very beginning. So what does all this have to do with the PDF? Everything. You see, at Tetra 4D, we know that intellectual property is something we all inherently guard carefully. But true collaboration means we need to express, exchange, and communicate our design intent to all the stakeholders involved. And this exchange of ideas through collaboration requires a lot of negotiation between the ideas in our mind and how we move our concepts beyond our limitations of actual construction methods currently known to us. Ultimately, we also want to produce space that is common to everyone and enhance the activity of that space. So from the very beginning, without realizing it, and soon after the feasibility studies are done, the teams are set, schedules are established, contracts are signed off, the portable document format, otherwise known as a PDF, takes full swing and does so because it is compatible across multiple platforms and its incredible compression rate. Architects and property owners exchange site information to all the team members. Designers and master planners make use of the right hemisphere to create concepts and project ideas and pass these along to team members. Massing studies will be created. Community concerns will have to be addressed. Landscape architects strategize on the impacts these designs may have to the environment and exterior open spaces to which the proposed building sits on. And collectively, the teams will analyze and focus on sustainability issues that affect us all. Civil engineers review all the infrastructure needs of the project. Structural and MEP engineers will begin to collaborate and look for interferences. Iterations after iterations are created and reviewed until an acknowledged solution is agreed upon. Team members use a number of Adobe products to impress the storyline to building owners or site officials. PDF books are created to pass along to reprographic companies for printing. Marketing will use them to attract new customers, or they may be taken to a proposed city meeting. In the meantime, illustrators are busy creating videos and animations. Many of the BIM models created are used to coordinate and check for interferences or study lighting conditions. And all this data is encapsulated into a PDF. So while a building owner is reviewing the PDF book for the project, someone else in the team is using Tetra 4D's plugins to create a 3D PDF of the current model. Digital illustrators will use programs in their arsenal that span from SketchUp to Revit, 3ds Max to AutoCAD, Rhino, Inventor, Maya, Navisworks, all of which Tetra 4D has 3D PDF plugins for. Team members are able to easily create customized background templates that match their marketing objectives. And viewing these PDFs couldn't be easier than by using the free Adobe Reader. Not only is it easy to share, but extremely secure. By using Tetra 4D's embed option of the plugin, someone is able to post their newly created 3D PDF on their project website, allowing external team members or the project at large to review the project's progress. Meanwhile, another team member uses the merge option of the Tetra 4D toolbar to consolidate multiple PDFs. This may be a set of documents, building code reviews, product cut sheets, site images, or even zoning ordinances. Hence, throughout all this time of exchange of information, the push and the pull in an effort to give coherence to the project begins to take form. The use of a 3D PDF can also be used to review materials. Interior designers are able to study the space and determine materials from within. Then, milestones are hit. Submissions to city agencies are reviewed. As the project progresses, contractors get involved and the transfer of data continues. A PDF is passed along from one stakeholder to another to clarify, fix, or review components out of the project. Floor plans, enlarged plans, wall sections, ceiling plans, finished plans, and details all get defined. PDFs of specifications get passed along, and more milestones are hit. And during construction, field reports are created. Site images are consolidated and exchanged via a PDF for review. Tetra 4D is Adobe's exclusive provider of 3D PDF technology, so by using the free Adobe Reader, which everyone already has installed, anyone in the field can annotate a 3D PDF that was created by any of the Tetra 4D plugins. You simply open the file and click on any of the easy-to-use annotation, markup, and comment tools in the Reader. Also, with the free Adobe Reader, you can create sections of the 3D PDF to view important areas that may obstruct or be difficult to understand. Of course, one of the greatest benefits of a PDF is its ability to secure your intellectual property. Directly from the Tetra 4D toolbar, you can add document security to prevent from opening the document without the appropriate password. Should you need extra security on your data inside of the PDF, you can use Acrobat to extend security beyond just opening the document. For example, you can prevent printing, editing, or copying of your information within the PDF. And finally, we come to archiving. Archiving your milestones and submissions of your project are extremely important. The adoption for archiving with a PDF has grown worldwide since it has become an ISO standard in 2005. You may already be aware that the PDF is the only adopted format by the U.S. Federal Courts, National Archives and Records Administration, and the Library of Congress. But did you know that you cannot edit a PDF without leaving an electronic footprint? This kind of security is what also prompted government agencies all over the world to accept, recommend, or mandate the use of a PDF for long-term archiving. So of course, it makes perfect sense to use a PDF as your primary method for sharing your design data. And Tetra 4D plugins make it easier to create 3D PDFs directly from your design application to collaborate with, and knowing that your intellectual property is safe and secure. Tetra 4D, the source for 3D PDF technology and PDF workflows for your company.